air came across something, okay? And so that's one way to say you find something, okay? Yeah, Hanig is literally come. Hanig she in road, he didn't come, basically the idea of come across anything, he didn't find anything, okay? Except in Irish use air instead of across, he's on to across. Okay? And so it's important to learn when you learn a word that sometimes there's a preposition like air that goes with it that changes the meaning. So Hanig by itself just means came. Hanig air means found. Okay? Or ran across. Actually, we have ran across also and come across. And, you know, there's a difference between run and run across something, right? So it's the same idea in Irish. You have to kind of learn which words go together. Okay? And if you look in a dictionary in Irish, if you look up tar, which is the word come, you'll see typically in little sub-entries for air and things like that, because the meaning with air is different. Some of them will have, like, for every preposition, different meaning. Okay? Maybe I see another one coming in a little bit. Okay? Number 12. Ka rev me erer. Where was I last night? Okay? And let me see. Let's get some water started for us, and I think we need some to go. Okay? Iber trijeg. Visha kincha gewursha shaska pont egandolinye. So he was sure, Visha kincha. Okay? Gewursha that he got. Okay? Shaska pont, 60 pounds. Egandol at the dole. Inye is yesterday. So the dole is basically you collect your unemployment, yeah. Okay? So someone is erandol, that means they're collecting unemployment, okay? Okay?
So Visha Kicha translates literally?
He was sure, yeah. Yeah. So you want to say I'm sure of it, you can say Tan Kinchaje, I'm sure of it. Time is Tame. Or a good one is, you can say and will. And will to Kincha, are you sure? You can answer yes, ha. So someone says da da da, you can say will to Kincha, you can say ha. Tame Kincha or time Kincha. Yeah. Time is Tame combined. Time. Okay? So Visha Kincha, he was certain, Gewursha, we'll come back to that, that he got Shaska Pont, 60 pound, Egandolinye at the dole yesterday. Okay? Now I'm going to look at the numbers first. We're just going to go 1 through 10 for pounds. We're not going to go up to 60. The word get or got is for. So I got 1 pound. Voor mij een font wine.
Voor mij een font wine.
And you could say voor mij een font, or you can say voor mij font wine, or you can say voor mij een font wine. I got 1 pound. The word een aspirates, so font becomes een font, 1 pound.
Een is any?
Is one. It means one or any.
A wine, any?
Yeah. A wine means like single. So I got 1 single pound. Yeah. Okay, I got 2 pounds. Voor mij ra font. So the word ra aspirates. I got 3 pounds. Voor mij 3 font. I got 4 pounds. Voor mij cara font.
Wait, say that again?
Voor mij cara font. So cara, you say that one. Cara. Cara font. I got 5 pounds. Voor mij kuig font. I got 6 pounds. Voor mij she font. And I got 7 pounds. Voor mij shak bont. So 7 eclipses. I got 8 pounds. Voor mij op bont. Sorry. Okay, so for my shack bond, I got 7 pounds. I got 8 pounds for my 8 bond.
For my 8 bond.
I got 9 pounds for my 9 bond.
For my 9 bond.
And I got 10 pounds for my jet bond.
For my jet bond.
So Jeff, you pronounce Jeff. You don't pronounce the CH on that word. Okay, Jeff. So
what causes the between 6 and 7?
Okay. All right. So
About 1,000 years ago was 6.
actually, I think it had to do with something like maybe the gender of the numbers in the past. So they used to have different genders. Okay. Which actually, let me see. Which I think does make some sense.
Well, how would you ever get more numbers if some were male?
Yeah. Well, actually, what used to happen is I think it might have been a masculine, feminine, and neuter numbers, and so yeah, I think that's the story on it, but I'm not positive. Or actually, I guess that would probably be feminine and neuter. I think the old neuter would eclipse stuff, so, but not positive on that. So, anyways, important thing is when you're counting things with the numbers, a couple things about that. First of all, the numbers 2 and 4, which are Ra and Kara, are different than the numbers when you're just saying them, which are Do and Kafir. Okay? Secondly, the numbers 1 through 6 all lenite the following word. They all do shave one the following word. And 7 through 10 do Oro, eclipses on the following word. Okay? There's a couple words that are exceptions to that, but basically almost anything you're going to count is going to do this. Okay? And the other thing is you typically don't put the word that you're counting in the plural. So you say 6 pound, 7 pound, not 6 pounds or 7 pounds. Okay? So Visha Kincha, back to our main sentence. Visha Kincha, he was certain. Go wurshe, that he got. And the way you say he got is furshe. The word go, meaning that something happened, eclipses the following word. Okay, so go wurshe. Okay, and in some cases with the irregular words it changes them a bit too. Okay, most of the time it just eclipses them. Okay, but for example,
Irregular, right?
huh?
4 is
4 is irregular, it just doesn't change form, it just gets eclipsed here. But like the word ta, if you want to say Visha Kincha, that something is, you would say go will. Or if you had the word V, was, and he was certain that it was, and it would be go rev. So that's irregular, it changes. Okay? But most words that come after go just get eclipsed. Okay? And we'll see a few of these as we come across them. I'm going to spend more time on that now. So let's just read the sentence and then we'll take a break. So Visha Kincha, Gowurshe, Shaskapont, Egandolinye. So Visha Kincha Gowurshe, Shaskapont, Egandolinye. Okay? I guess Biach Sosaganish. Let's have a break.